Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you the book back answer in science for 7th standard. The previous class, I gave from the unit 5, and today I'm going to give the chemistry in daily life, that is unit 4. Okay. And in the previous class itself, I told you all children, the books are available in the class. Come and get the books. Okay. With the book only you can learn. So those who have the book, you can take page number 78. Okay, children? So please buy the book, children. Without the book, you cannot mark or you cannot write, children. So now I'm marking it for you. Page number 78. Choose the correct answer, okay? Nursery. Hey, close panna. Choose the correct answer. First one. A drug effective in the treatment of pneumonia. The bronchitis is, first one, C. Penicillin. Second, aspirin is, answer is B, antipyretic. Second one, B, antipyretic. Third one, A is the answer, antacid or that neutralize stomach acid. Fourth, the lowest temperature at which a substance catches the fire is called its D, ignition temperature. Fifth, which is the hottest part in the flame of a candle? A, blue. Once again, I'll tell you all. First one C, second B, third A, fourth D, and fifth A. Next is Roman number 2. Fill in the blanks. Roman number 2. Fill in the blanks. Penicillin was first discovered by Alexander Fleming. Discovered by Alexander Fleming. So mark, those are the book and mark in your book, children. Those who don't have the book, buy the book, only then you can learn, okay? Without the book, you cannot learn or not mark it, children. World ORS Day is July 29. Combustion is a chemical reaction in which the substance react with oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. In the presence of water, the ignition temperature of paper is not reached. Then, fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by water. Okay, children. Next is Roman number 3. True or false? True or false? In that, antibiotics does work for viruses like cold and flu. And the and flu FLU and flu. So the answer is false. So the question, last word antibiotics does work for viruses like cold and flu should come there. So the answer is false. Now you have to give the correct answer. So what will be the correct answer? Antibiotic does work in question. Answer does not work in does not work. So the question is false. Correct answer you are going to write is antibiotics does not work for viruses like cold and flu. Question does work in kuduthirukanga, but when you write for the correct answer does not work in ezhudano. Punjada. Next, analgesics are the substance that lower the temperature during fever. Again it is false. Analgesis is a wrong one, false one. So analgesics ke badla antipyretic ezhudano. Antipyretic. This is a correct statement. Okay. First analgesics irukku illaya, adha neenga underline pananum, adha false statement. So neenga correct statement எழுதும்போது antipyretic are the substance that lower the temperature during fever nu எழுதணும். புரிஞ்சுதா? The next, third, all fuels form flame. Again it is false. So when you write, how will you write? All fuels do not form flame. எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? All fuels do not form flame. What will you write there? Do not. Okay. Fourth, oxygen is necessary for combustion. True. Then fifth one, burning wood and coal causes pollution of air. True. This is 5. Okay. Next is Roman number 4. match the following. So in that match, I'll put the number. Children, first put the number 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. Now I'll tell the correct straight answers. Now you can check it, okay? Antipyretic, answer is reduce body. Analgesic, reduce pain. Antacid, ORS solution. Phosphorus, spontaneous combustion. Carbon dioxide leads to respiratory problem, okay? Antacid. Then carbon dioxide leads to respiratory problem. 1 minute, children. Okay, children, we have finished this. Next is analogy. Roman number 5. Analogy, okay? In that, inner zone of flame is dash, they have given black, okay? Then outer zone of flame is blue. Next dash is blue. The next, tincture, antiseptic. Tincture, antiseptic. Next, what they have given? Cysteamine. Cysteamine is a chemical messenger. Chemical messenger. Okay, children. We finished this. Now, next we will go to the very short answers. I'll write only the answers, okay? No questions. Questions in the book. You can read while you are writing in the class form. Keep the book along with you. And then you can write with the question. Okay, while you're writing in the class, you have to write with the question, children. The book you have in the questions you have in your book. So, Roman number 6. Very short answer. So, first one. First viral disease detected in human was, 2 options given, yellow fever, dengue fever. Answer is yellow fever. Yellow fever. Second is, dash are called greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide, methane, CO2 is carbon dioxide, right? Methane, and chlorofluorocarbons. Carbons, okay? Then, third one, name a substance which can be used as an antiseptic as well as disinfectant. So, answer is garlic, turmeric, and aloe vera. Okay, garlic, turmeric, and aloe vera. Then, what are the main constituents of Dettol? So, what and all is used in the Dettol? Mixture of chloroxylenol, how will you pronounce it? Chloroxylenol and terpineol. This is used. Okay, constituents of Dettol. Then, name the unit in which the calorific value of a fuel is expressed. kJ per kg. Okay, next. How many types of combustion are there? One is rapid combustion. Then, spontaneous combustion. And explosion combustion. combustion. Okay, children. Next is, what are the essential requirements for producing fire? Fuel, heat, and oxygen. Okay, children. So these are the 7. Okay, did you get it, children? So these 7 questions, I have written the answer on the board for the 7 questions. Next is short answer questions. That is, no need to take from this. Roman number 7 and Roman number 8, strike it out in this. No need. I'll give you the separate question answers for you, okay? And same way, the answers will be marked in the book and question I'll write on the board, okay? For you take your rough notebook separately first, write only the questions. I'll write the questions on the board and the answers will be, I'll mark in the book. புரிஞ்சுதா? நீங்கள் தனியாக ரஃப் நோட் புக் எடுத்து அந்த கொஸ்டின் எழுதிக்கோங்க. ஆன்சர் வந்து நான் புக்கில் மார்க் பண்ணி தருவேன். After that, you will take your class work. So one by one with the question, you will write the answer from the book. புரிஞ்சுதா? இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் இப்போ வந்து எல்லாமே போர்டில் வந்து எல்லாமே கொஸ்டின் எழுதி போடுறேன். ஆன்சர் வந்து புக்கில் மார்க் பண்ணி தருவேன். புரிஞ்சுதா? ஸோ வென் யூர் ரைட்டிங் இந்த கிளாஸ் ஒர்க்கில் எழுதும்போது ரஃப் நோட் புக்கில் இருக்கிற கொஸ்டினை வச்சு ஆன்சர் புக்கில் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது பார்த்து கரெக்டாக ஒன் பை ஒன் எழுதுகிறோம். யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், சில்ட்ரன்? ஸோ have you finished this? So buy your books, children. If you buy the book only, you can learn. Books are available in the school. So Roman number 7 is short answer questions. Short answer questions. So now, first one, see page number 67, okay? I'll write the question on the board. Name some of the common antacids. Common antacids is the first question and it is page number 67. So those who have the book, you can take page number 67, children. And those who don't have the book, please buy the book, only then you can mark and learn. Okay, children? Page number 67, see on the right side, 5th para, கீழே இருந்து 2வது para. Okay, in that second line, sodium, open the bracket. Okay, sodium bicarbonate, calcium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide, magnesium carbonate and aluminum hydroxide, close the bracket. That is AlOH3, close the bracket. That para fully you have to write and the question is on the board. Name some of the common antacids. This is the page number 67. Right side, keel and the second para. Punjada, are you able to say it, children? Okay, this para fully you have to write. Then next is page number 70. Page number 72, children. Page number 72 says the second question. What do you take this down in your rough notebook, children, okay? What do you mean by inflammable substance? Inflammable substance, and it's in page number 72. Page number 72. Okay, children? Just see this page, this right side. Okay, right side, 4th para. Okay, and the diagram badile adukku mela irukra para. So diagram, that picture is there, candle picture is there. Adukku mela or para irukku parunga. You are able to see that para only you are going to write. Okay, the question for that is, what do you mean by inflammable substances? I think you have taken that paragraph, children. What's the first line? Substances. Open the bracket. Okay, this is the second answer for you all. Substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substances. Example, petrol, alcohol, LPG and CNG, okay, compressed natural gas, etc. Till there you have to write this paragraph. This is the second short answer. Okay, then third one is, take page number 78. You can see points to remember. So many points are there, right? In that, take 6th point. In that left side, points to remember. So many points are there. Take the 6th point, children. What is the 6th point? The chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to produce heat is called combustion. So this is the third question for you. Define combustion. Define combustion. Page number 78. Okay, so that's a question for sixth point, children. Points to remember on the left side. Sixth point is the third answer. Okay, and then go next to the seventh point. That is, question is 4. What is flame? This is your seventh point. Okay, seventh point on the answer. That is, a flame is a zone of combustion of a combustible substance. Substance which vaporize during burning produce flames. Example, wax and kerosene. That's the seventh point. Then next go to the eighth point. Okay, what is ignition temperature? What is ignition temperature? That eighth point is your fifth answer, children. Eighth point is your fifth answer. That is, the minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire and burns is called its ignition temperature. So, that eighth point, and the eighth point irukku illaya, adha ungaloda fifth answer. Then ninth point, that is your sixth answer. That is, define calorific value. Define calorific value. That is your sixth answer. That's your ninth point. That is, the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel is called its calorific value. That is your sixth answer. That's a ninth point. Okay, so line varudhu. That is, sixth point is your third question, seventh point is your fourth question, eighth, fifth question, and ninth point is your sixth question. Line 3, 4, 5, 6. Punjada. Then next is answer in detail. We are going to see now. Roman number 8. Answer in detail. So in Roman number 7 and 8, no need to touch from your book, children. புரிஞ்சுதா? அது நீங்கள் அப்படியே ஸ்ட்ரைக் அவுட் பண்ணிடலாம். அந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸை நான் போர்டில் எழுதி போட்டிருக்கிற கொஸ்டின்ஸை நீங்கள் எழுத போகிறீங்க நோட் புக்கில். புரிஞ்சுதா? ஸோ த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஆர் ஆன் த போர்ட். I have marked the answers in your book. So if you buy the book only, you can mark and write, children. So book are available in the school. Again and again, I am telling you all, buy the book first. Okay. So after that, Roman number 7, strike it out. These questions I have not given. Okay. The questions all na tharla. Board la questions ethi potirukken. Answers book la mark pannirukken. Page number also I have written on the board. Correct ah adha paathu mark panni ezhudunga. Punjada. Then Roman number 8, answer in detail. Idu thevalla. Next we will see here, answer in detail. See page number 75, children. What are the types of combustion? Are the types of combustion? Explain. The types of combustion. Explain. This is your first detail and it's in page number 75. Those who have the book, you can see the right side. Page number 75, right side, in the block letters, the words they have given, types of combustion. Alla block la edhirukku parunga, block letters, the types of combustion. Yes. So what is the types of combustion? You have to write the side heading. Adu edhida edhunum. Pujudha? Starting from types of combustion, last la anga parunga explosion irukku illaya, anga crackers mudiyudhu parunga. Crackers. Till there you have to write, that is rapid combustion. Side heading you have to write, underline that rapid combustion and write fully about that. Leave one line and then write spontaneous combustion, underline the side heading and you have to write about that. Then again leave one line and write explosion, underline the side headings and then all that fully you have to write till crackers you have to finish. This is your detail 1 answer. Did you understand, children? Question is on the board. What are the types of combustion? Explain, page number 75. Then page number 76, second question. Take down in your rough notebook, children. Write the characteristics of good fuel. Of good fuel. Okay, this is the question. It's in the page number 76. So in the left side, children, in the block letters they have given characteristics of good fuel. In the picture ku keela parunga. Side heading theriyudha. You are able to see characteristics of good fuel. So how many points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 points are there. That is, starting readily open the bracket. Point by point you will write. And where it close, pollution. Okay, close the bracket. So you will start, open the bracket readily and close the bracket till pollution. 7 points are there. In the 7 points you will write. This is your second detail. question is write the characteristic features of good fuel. Then third question is page number 73. Third question, page number 73. Explain the structure of a candle flame. This is your third detail, okay? It's in page number 73. Page number 73. So you can see in the right side that candle diagram is there. Below that, okay, and the diagram kira paranga, structure of a candle flame, block letters la kuduthirukangala, side heading. Yes, with the side heading you have to underline and write, children. Starting from there, A, open the bracket, full point 1, point 2, point 3. இங்க முடியுது hot part, close the bracket. இந்த மூணு பேராகிராஃபும் detail 3 உங்களுக்கு side heading என்ன எழுதுவீங்க, structure of a candle flame you will write, and you will write all these 3 points till hot part, close the bracket. This is your third detail, which is in the page number 73. Now we will write the fourth detail. Mark a labeled diagram of a candle flame. Same page number 73. Okay, so இப்போ நீங்கள் எழுதுனீங்க structure of a candle flame, அதுக்கு மேலே அந்த diagram இருக்குல்ல, அந்த diagram மட்டும் நீங்கள் அதை வரைஞ்சு பார்ட்ஸை மார்க் பண்ணணும். That is the fourth detail. Okay, so only this diagram, வெறும் diagram மட்டும் வரையக்கூடாது, அதில் என்னென்ன பார்ட்ஸ்லாம் மார்க் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், outer zone, inner zone, அது எல்லாமே நீங்கள் கரெக்டாக எழுதணும். அது ரெட், ப்ளூ, க்ரீன் அதெல்லாம் வருது இல்லையா, அது கரெக்டாக நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, மார்க் பண்ணணும். அப்போ தான் உங்களுக்கு மார்க் வரும். வெறும் diagram வரைஞ்சால் மார்க் வராது. You have to mark the parts also, only then you will get full marks. Okay, and you have to give the coloring also, that is what and all they have given here, blue, yellow and black. So you have to draw it neatly so that you can get a full marks, and it's an important question also. Okay, this candle flame, the diagram of all these are the important questions. Okay, so these 4 detailed questions you will write. So 4 questions I have given on you, I have written on the board for you. So I have marked in the book also. I think you have written in your rough notebook all these questions. Now you will take your classwork. Objectives all you will write in the classwork. So what are the objectives I have given for you? That is choose, fill up, match, analogy. Okay, 5 objectives, 5 Roman numbers you will write in the classwork. Very short answers. I have given the answers for you. Questions are in the book. So write the question and write the answers, children. 7 questions are there. Answers I have written on the board. Then Roman number 7, Roman number 8, no need to take from the book. Strike it out. Okay, so I have given the questions on the board and the answers also marked. See here, how many questions are there? 6 questions I have given. Okay, for the short answer questions. Answers, even the page number also I have written. You have marked it in your book, so you will write in your classwork with the question. Okay, children. Then answer in detail. 4 details I have given along with the page number I have given. So I think you have marked it properly and write in your classwork. Okay, children. So this is with this we are finishing this lesson back answers. In the next class we'll start with the new lesson, children. Thank you.